live studio. Today we come to Shanghai. We attended the exhibition in Shanghai, named Shanghai Automotive Exhibition. Today is the first day. The exhibition will start from today to 5th December. Our GBT booth is 8.2 K45. So if you come to China, welcome to Shanghai and visit our booth. We packed a lot of the cars in the exhibition parking lot. So now we will introduce some cars for customers. The first one is Lexus 570 upgrade, including the front bonnet, grille, headlight, fender, and also the front bumper. This car we also installed the front bumper lid. Today we will introduce the grille. We also developed the latest one, 2021. If you are interested, we will put the photos and videos on the live studio. So this one is not the latest one. Later we will put the photos. The bonnet and also the fender, we just paint the black one because the car is the black one. But when we sell the kits, the bonnet and the fender is not paint, just with the primer. When you receive it, you can paint by yourself. The grille, we provide different colors. The main part is pear green and also pear black. We also have the high gloss black. The chrome, we have the matte chrome. So if you want the different design, you can build ourselves. Also the headlight and the fog light, we provide two colors. The one is the black one, another one is the white one. It's black and white, two options. The front bumper lid also we provide two options, the pear black and also the pear white. So the front part just including these parts. So now let's go to the back one. We can look at the rear bumper, also including the rear fender and also the rear door. 70 upgrade, we provide two options for rear part. This car we just changed this part rear door plate and also the rear lamp, including the rear bumper. Also we put the TRD style rear bumper lid, but we also can provide another style. We will change the rear fender and also the rear door. All will change. So if you want to know more about our kits, you can tell us. Also, the Lexus 570 upgrade, we just can do the modification from 2008 to 15, upgrade to 2016. And also we have the latest one for 2021 Lexus 570. We can also provide. The second car is for Land Cruiser 200. We can modify the car from 2008 to 15, upgraded to 16. This model is our GBT design for the E models. This one including the bonnet, fender, headlight, grille, and also we have our main design here, including the front bumper. This part, here we put the grille is the design for TRD design, and headlight. Also here fog light we put the black one. If you like the white one, we also can provide. The grille we can provide different designs. This one called TRD grille. We also have the original one, same with the original one, 2016 grille. Also we now can provide another two 2019 Land Cruiser Grill. Also, we have the latest one, 2021 front grill. So if you want to know, can contact our sales. The rear part including the rear door, rear lamp, and also the rear bumper. Here we put the rear lamp just the black color. We also have the red one, same with the original one. The rear bumper light we also can provide the black one. So if you want, we can provide. Here we put the chrome is high gloss chrome black. We also have the chrome the silver color. So if you want, also we can provide. This one called the effort design. The third car called the GLS for bands. We called it GLS Maybach for the kit. We developed the kit for 2020. GLS upgraded to GLS Maybach. This kit including the front bumper. This one just the same with the original, called the Maybach grill. We also have the front bumper. Here is the silver chrome. Some cars, some customers just maybe in UK, they don't like the silver chrome. They like the high gloss black chrome. We also can provide the painting for our customers. If you want, we can provide. This car also we including the rear part. The rear part we just provide the rear bumper, including the rear diffusers, also the exhaust pipe. Just this design same with original one, 2020. The fourth one is for Nissan petrol upgrade. This one just designed by GBT. We also have another two kits GBT design. The first one is for petrol upgrade from the old model to 2020. So if you want, we can provide. But now we want to introduce the GBT design. This one just can modified from 2016 to 19. So this kit including the bonnet, fender, headlight, the fog light, the grill, and also front bumper. Just the headlight, same with the original one 2020, but the front bumper, grill, just the GBT design. So we can have a look at the details for front bumper and grill. And have a look at side step. This one is the also we provide the wheel trim. Somebody called wheel trim, somebody called it the fender flares. You can have a look at the fender flares. We install the different styles. The Nissan petrol, the rear part including the rear spoiler and also the rear lamp, the rear bumper. Rear lamp is same with 2020, but the rear bumper we do the GBT design. This one is for B class. In Turkey and the United States called matrix. So some different countries called the B class different name. In UK maybe Vito. So now we introduce the new kit for B class. We developed the next one. This one including the front grill, front bumper. The grill similar, just look like the design same, look like the Maybach, but not same. Just our GBT design. So it's very popular in China market. So if you want, we can provide. And also the grill, we developed the side vents. We have a lot of the chrome, silver chrome. But some customers in UK, they also like the chrome. It's not silver color, just the high gloss black. They like the car, all parts look same with the black one. So different countries have different demand. So if you want the parts different with others, so you can tell us. We will paint and also we will do the design for you. The rear part we develop the rear bumper. The rear bumper including the rear diffuser, also exhaust pipe. So looks very nice, better than the original one. Because the original one don't have the exhaust pipe. So now we do some change. And also we put the chrome, silver chrome on the car, so looks better than original one.